So this is room 2021, and this is a Vantage Club Junior Suite Bayview. So here we have the bathroom, lots of space in here, very nice tub. I love this lighting fixture here. You have some amenities provided. Really nice rain shower head. You have 2 rain showers in here. You also have the handheld wand. Nice little bench seating area. And then of course you're gonna have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And the water closet. I totally love that they have this selfie mirror here, perfect for your dinner outfits. They also have a secret box over here, so if you want to order some room service, you can get that right from there. They will access your room from the outside, and then you get it from inside. So if you want to have a little breakfast, you know, in your pajamas, no problem there. And we have a king size bed. They also do have double beds here. Very large TV. Coffee maker here. There are supposed to be wine in the fridge here. We don't drink wine, so we don't have any wine in there, but you would have wine in there. Little sitting area. Let's check out the view. Very large balcony, 2 chairs. Look how gorgeous. And you see a couple pools. Pickleball court over there. And of course you're on the golf course, so you get to see that. I actually feel like I'm on a cruise ship. That was my first thought when I walk in through the front door. All you see is the balcony and, you know, the glass balcony. So my thought was, oh my gosh, where am I? That was like, I like it. I like the glass balcony. Kind of makes you feel like you're just one with nature here. So this is the room, and then I'll show you in the closet area over here. They have a safe, and it definitely is big enough for a laptop, so no worries there. And you have some space, nice little drawer. And then the mini fridge is gonna be restocked daily. So they do have Coke products here if that is important to you. And then robes and slippers are also included. So those are in here. These are actually pretty nice robes. And we already have our things in here, so just disregard all of that. And then there is a steamer back here somewhere as well. So there's not an iron or an ironing board, but there is a steamer. So that is basically the whole room. If you have any questions, you can just leave them down below. And if you're interested in booking with a travel agent, I would love to help you. You can reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com, submit a quote request, and I'll get you off to paradise. Now that we've lived in the room for 3 nights, I want to go over a couple things about the room that I liked, disliked, just show you a couple more features. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the lights. I really love when resorts have buttons so you can change the lights, because I hate what I'm going to call the big light. My favorite light at home is the little light on the stove that just gives you like a little ounce of light. I hate bright lights. So I love that in 2 places in the room they have the lights, so you can turn the lights totally on or totally off, and then you get all the lights. You can turn it off. You can put on night mode. You can put on just like bedside lights. They have a setting called romance and entertainment. They have bathroom lights. So they have a lot of different light features, and I really, really love that. So that's one of my favorites. And then on the bedside switches, they have regular plugs. So you're gonna have like regular US plugs. They also have USB outlets and USB-C outlets, which I think is really great. And then the fan is a little knob right here. So if you're wondering what this knob is, it's gonna be the fan. All right, let's move on. If you are someone like me who has a hard time sleeping with any light, I'm gonna put a pillow in front of it so you can totally block the light, okay? Because my first night I was like, what the heck is this blue? And then we're gonna turn the lights off again for a second so I can show you another thing. Okay, so, all right, so we're sleeping, right? Okay, and then you get up at 2 a.m. to go to the bathroom. And then what happens is you walk, and how come it's not happening? You walk, why is it not happening?
Did you shut everything off?
Yeah, but
completely?
I don't know.
I mean,
I don't know why it's not happening, but usually this light goes on right here, and I wonder how I turned it off, but I don't know. So I guess we're not going to talk about that because I don't know what's happening. Ooh. Okay. Well, this light, there's a light under here that has been going on, and I swear it's been going on, and I have to jump over it because there's a sensor somewhere, but apparently I learned how to turn it off. So, moving on. Come on down, Kevin. All right, we're gonna go into the restroom here. For one, I really like that this is a good size. Sometimes you get into a toilet room and you're like really tiny. This is a really good size. I really like this ledge, and I know that sounds really silly, but sometimes you go in and you don't have a spot to put anything. So if you want to put a phone here, reading materials, feminine products, maybe you got some wipes, anything you need, nice little shelf. I love it. Okay, next we're gonna go to the shower. This is quite the tour, everyone.
Yeah, like a 4-minute video.
Okay, so you have 2 rain shower heads in here. And then you also have the shower wand. If you want the wand, or you push in, there's a button right here. And if you pull it out, then you would have your shower go here. So let's push it in, and the wand should go off. Okay, now we're gonna pull the button out. And now that goes. Okay, and then another shelf that I love is I love this shelf right here. This side is the ladies' side, okay, because you get to put all your makeup here. I put most of my makeup away because we're leaving in the morning, but I just love this nice little shelf. Let's see if I have anything else in the bathroom to talk about. I do like, speaking of the lights, so the lights that we talked about on the side of the bed, they're a little bit different. There is another one when you first walk in, and we'll turn it off again, and then we'll try another one.
There's the light.
Ah, there it is. Okay, so this is the light that goes on when you walk by it, but we're gonna get to that in a second. So apparently we need to, okay, so let's do it. Okay, so that's what happened. So apparently the key to stopping this is to use the on-off button by the bed, not the on-off button by the door. So how I learned this morning is that when it shuts off, the sensor is somewhere. Now, I don't know where it is because I got on my hands and knees and I couldn't find it. But what I do is I jump over it. See? You can't see me, but I'm at the camera. I jumped right over it. People are going to think this is the craziest video. I didn't have any cocktails. This is just me, okay? This is just me. So there's a lot of different lights. I like that they have the vanity light. I like that they have a light that's just for the tub. So whatever kind of ambiance you want, you can find in here. Now, Kev, if you want to come over here, I got one more couple things I want to show. Nope, turn around, turn around, turn around. Okay, when you're in the room, if you know everyone's in the room that's here and you're in for the night, you can lock the door a little extra. So there's a little thing on the door and it's going to show red, and that means that it's locked. So someone from the outside cannot get in even if they have a key. So before we go to bed at night, we always put this on, And then I think that I probably showed the secret box in the beginning, but if you want to get room service or you need something extra like hangers and you don't want to see anyone, you can just tell them to put it in the box. And then if you have any dirty dishes, you'd put it in the box. And they come and they check this every day. So if you were bringing your cups from the pool and you like to keep your room nice and clean like we do, just put them right in here. And what else? Okay, lastly, I would say that there's a nice little mirror right here, okay? Nice little mirror. If you have a messy bathroom and you don't want to get, your bathroom in there, there's no door to the bathroom, so you can kind of open up your toilet door, and then you can take your selfies with a semi-door. Let's see, I don't think I have anything else to talk to y'all about, but let me just do a little double take just to make sure that there's nothing else that I feel like should be in this room tour. I think we're good. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them down below. And one last one. My favorite place to put my pajamas is down in this little cubby. Okay? So I think that's it. I think this was just such a fun little addition to the room tour.